Makhosi. Siyanibingelela nina emakhaya, nina nonke ingane zakamvelinqani. Nina nonke idalwa zakamvelinqani, nina nonke elifuna ukukhanya, nina nonke niza kule channel le enifuna ulwazi spiritual mayelana universal spirituality. Yimincekulelo isigqila senu. Inyanga yenu umcrusader igedla lamashqishqi inyanga yamakhosi. And welcome to another episode of Kemi TV. Guys, apologies for the delay in dropping new content and dropping new videos. Besasebhizinisi into eningi kodwa sibuyile sikhona la ekhaya. I received a lot of texts from you guys asking what is going on. Mkhulu sifuna ama video amasha sesibuyile. Namhlanje sizothinta itopic esingakayithinti kodwa esemqoka. Bakwethu ninabantu abafikayo abalanda imithi, ninabantu abafikayo abazothatha izinto la ekhaya, kodwa la abaya khona imithi yami ifike igqilazeke. Igqilezwa yini mkhulu? Igqilazwa ukuthi wena uhleli endaweni engahlambulukile, engagezekile, a place that is spiritually unclean. And hence we have to touch on today's topic. Today's topic bakwethu is ukubethela nokuqinisa. We are going to be actually opening up this topic and discussing it with you as to why it's important ukuthi umuntu, especially uma uyindoda ephethe imizi enebhizinisi eneyimoto, kumele uqinise izinto zakho, uziqinise nawe. Mkhulusader yini ukubethela? Ungangena uthola ama video amaningi ku YouTube azokuchazela kabanzi mayelana ukuthi ukubethela yini. Kodwa in a nutshell, ukubethela ukugeza okomuzi, okobhizinisi nakwabantu abahlala kuleyo ndawo in order ukuthi sifake izinto ezizovikela. So it's a two-step process. Ukugeza, and then once sesikhiphile sibulale imimoya elapho, and then sifaka izinto ezizogada. Now whether imithi or eminye imlingo, that is what we will go into today. Now ukubethela is just that. It is setting up spiritual security for your home. It is setting up a defense system, because kushubile la ngaphandle bakwethu. Ushubile la ngaphandle, kushubile South Africa. Abantu abalala ukita izinto phezulu kwama-roof, igijima izinto egcekeni. Umuntu azibuze ukuthi yini izinja zinkonkotha mangithi ngiyaphuma angiboni lutho. Kodwa animals are able to see spiritually. Ngezinye izikhathi zisuke zinkonkotha lemimoya ethunyelayo ebhizi egcekeni lakho. Wena uthi uyalala uyaphupha, you waiting for messages from Idlozi, cha utholi message from Idlozi. Instead uloku ubona izinto eziyenzakalayo, ubona amanzi angcolile endlini, uloku ubona ithunzi ezulazulayo endlini, ithunzi ezulayo egcekeni lakho, ubona izinto ezingahlambulukile. That is why kumele ubethele, especially moyindoda, especially if uyindoda yomuntu omnyama, because kushubile South Africa. Kunemizi eminingi egqilazekile, abantwana ba-progress, abantu abalali, abantu bahlezi bagula kuleyo muzi yonke. Uma abantu kumele ukuthi ithongo lingene lizo udlulisa imlayezo noma lizo letha inhlanhla, alikhone kungena ngoba umthakathi usebenza 24/7. And understand, you have to understand the diligence of umthakathi. Akekho umuntu diligent njengomthakathi, akekho umuntu oyenza sure ukuthi into uma ayenza iyayenzeka njengomuntu ophuma empandeni emnyama. Yingakho sithi it's important ukuthi ubethele. Kodwa sizodalula. Now there's many types of ukubethela. We have the prophetic way of ukubethela, kungasebenziswa amafutha weyilwane, kungasetshenziswa amagazi, kungahlatshwa bayafika kwakho basebenzise le mlotha le ngendlela mina engiyaziyo, le mlotha le esiyisebenzisayo engeke ngidabule ukuthi ikhanda kanjani ngoba ngifune ukubulala amabhizinisi wenu baprofeti, kodwa sisebenzisa umlotha predominantly and olive oil. Bese sometimes uzofaka amaqanda, sometimes uzosebenzisa indwangu sizibophe around izinto, kodwa angeke kungene umuthi lapho. It's usually the cheapest alternative. It's usually the cheapest alternative for people who abangafuni ukhipha imali ngoba siyazi ukuthi ukubethela costs 5,000, 7,000 kuya ngale nyanga le oya kuyo nokuthi lento azoyenza izofuna ukuvuselelwa how many times in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Usually uma bazokubethelela in a prophetic way, usually uzovusela noma kuzomele uphinde ubethele futhi, whether it's a year or 2 years, but usually it won't last longer than 2 years because imithi naturally wears off. Yingakho abantu bazofika kimi bangibuze bathi, Crusader, why is it ukuthi uma ngibethelile it's not something that is forever? It's because imithi wear off, whether it's in a form of ingcabo, whether it's in a form of ukuthi sichelile, whether it's in a form ukuthi siyenzeni, imithi wears off in power, and depending on the method that's used, kuzomele kubuye idwa kuyenzwe leyo process futhi noma kuzomele kubuye kuvuswe lento le efakwe lapha, depending on the process. Uprofeti could last around a year, 2 years from my knowledge, but anybody else who does it might do it in a way where it lasts longer. So that's the first type of way yokubethela. For wena ekhaya othi na akibahle for utlemo neinkukhu namanyongo nani namafutha wezilwane, ngifuna into clean ngoba ngumuntu osonto, bethela ngendlela yesonto, bethela ngoprofeti. And then we have a way which isn't so complicated, and it's used globally because uqinisa amabhizinisi nokuqinisa imizi nokuvikela imizi against imoya emibi nabantu abafuna ukukumoshela is not only into esibhekana nayo thina as abantu abamnyama. It's also something that people globally are aware of. Ukuthi I need to have some form of spiritual protection in my house. Prayer is not enough. And so the second way would be using charms. Crusader, what is a charm? A charm would be a pendant or any type of object which is enchanted in a certain way, whether they use invocation to put some form of spiritual power over that specific item. This could be a cross. This could be this could be this could be a necklace. This could be a stone. Iyathathwa leyo nto isetshenzwe ngendlela ehlukahlukile globally. Some people go through visuals, fasting, praying for that item. Some people go through rituals where they create altars and they enchant that item. They imbue that item with a specific spirit's essence, or they connect that spirit with that specific charm itself. Bakunikeze bathi thatha lento uyihenge emnyango, thatha lento uyigcine lapha ekhaya, thatha lento uyigqibe la nala. That would be another way of ukubethela, using charms. Now, I don't do it, but I'm aware of it. And I'm aware of it. It is done globally. It can be done by Eastern mystics. It can be done by occult practitioners. You just have to decide, lalela, I don't want too many deep things. I just want a charm. If you want that, you can go ahead and research and look for an occultic master, look for an Eastern mystic, look for a priest or anybody who is into intricate spiritual practices who can advise you. If you need a charm, this is what you need to do. Do your research. And then we have one other way, which is invoking spirits. Now, Crusader doesn't do that. I don't invoke spirits, but I am aware because I don't know too much about it. How do you invoke a spirit and make it watch somebody's yard? I understand spiritual invocation, but that one, but it is possible. Go do your research if that is something that would interest you. If umuntu othi ayina believe kulezi zinto lezi abaprofeti imithi nani I'll just get somebody to do that. It's your choice. Today we're presenting all these options so that wena uyenza isinqumo. Thatha isinqumo ongasoli ngaso ukuthi this is the way that I'm going to go in order for ukuthi ngiphakamise ngiqinise futhi ikhaya lami ngoba kusemqoka. You must understand you must understand that you are not living in a purely physical world only. Akudingeke futhi nokuthi kube ukuthi umthakathi ofikayo azogama. It just has to be ukuthi if your yard is not protected spiritually, it becomes a playground for unclean spirits. Yingakho ukubethela, uqinisa, ukugeza ikhaya nawe ukugeza nokusiqinisa is so important. Kunabaningi abantu abavula amabhizinisi waphakama wahamba wafalela. Kunabantu abaningi abathenga imoto balethe egcekeni imoto 2-3 months iyawodloka iyabhila. Ucabanga ukuthi yini inkinga yami why izinto zami ziloku ziyale. It's because your physical items are not protected spiritually. Your business premises is not protected spiritually. Lana ekungana defense khona against negative forces. Yazi ukuthi when you try and do positive things uyohlale kudonsa wena ugijimile wayolanda isigubhu kodwa kungcolile lapha ekhaya. Wafika nesigubhu azange sebenze wathi inyanga igrobha. Cha inyanga igrobha. It can't function there because mayifika lapha imithi eyacindezeleka because you are in an unclean area. Gezikhaya usigeze wena. And then we come to the fourth way, the way which I specialize. Uqinisa ikhaya ngemithi. Now there are multiple ways of doing this. Inyanga la ngaphandle zinamandla. Inyanga la ngaphandle ziyayigaya imithi. Masifika kwakho sithi sisuke sizoqinisa ngemithi, sisuke sithi kuwe sizofika sizogqiba izinto, sizofaka izinto whether sizosifaka ngamabhodlela, whether sizosifaka in a form of starch, kuyoba kuyimithi ejulile ehlukahlukene esizofika siqale sigeze ikhaya ngemithi ejulile kuqala bese sibuye sigeze wena, sibuye siqinise nina enisijaridi. Once we've cleansed the house, then we set up a palisade, then we set up a electric fence, then we put security for it. Now, mina personally, ngiyayithanda indlela yokuqinisa ngomuthi. I like indlela yokuqinisa ngomuthi due to ukuthi it lasts longer, although it costs, it lasts longer. It lasts 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and then it may be uzoyivuselela. And if we enyangeni eyaziyo into eyenzayo, usually uzokuthola ukuthula. If sifike kuwe sithole ukuthi kunabotiyoloshi bakuthumela ngemimoya, kunezinto ezigidayo ngaphakathi kwesilingo, kunezinto ezigidayo phezulu kweroof mole. Usually imithi uma sishisa amanyamazana, uma sichela lezo zinto siyazibulala siyazikhipha. If you went to inyanga eyaziyo lento eyenzayo, bese siyobe sihlanganisa izinto ezijulile whether emabhodleleni nanani sesigqibe lapho kwakho ukuthi umthakathi makathi uyeza kwakho ebusuku uzohlanza noma uzobhosha ahamba amapuna ngabo 3 ekseni ageje uma izinto zakhe zingamonanga ukuthi la aya khona kuzoshuba ageje afike ashake ngekhanda phansi kube uphela kwakhe. Defend your house, defend your family, protect your family, protect your children. Ingane zakhe azilali ebusuku, umkwakho uhlalwa nawo ungazi ukuthi iliswa yini. The house is getting eroded. At the speed the house is getting eroded, what's happening? Unomoya of poverty that's been sown in that yard. Qinisa umuzi wakho uma uyindoda. makhosi. Now, what is the purpose of ukubethela? Okay, we've touched on a couple of things as we were talking, but just to put it in a ballpoint, or rather in a point fashion, to give you guys the reasons why it's important ukuthi ubethele ikhaya, the reasons why it's important ukuthi nawe uqinise nemoto yakho, uqinise ibhizinisi, ubethele ibhizinisi, is because la ekungabethelanga khona ufuna wazi ukuthi kuyodlala imimoya emibi. If there is no form of spiritual protection, whether through prayer, whether through whatever, yazi ukuthi that home is vulnerable. And if that home is vulnerable, kungadlala abathakathi, abantu bangangena bazenzela umathanda la abafuna ukuzenzela umathanda. Abantu abayimpande ezimnyama, and understand, impande ezimnyama, they do not need a reason to tell it. It is their commission, it is their work. It is what they do. They had a personal vendetta. Impande ezimnyama are established within communities to erode communities. Ukuthi ingane in that communities must be unemployed, ziba maphara, given over to alcohol. And that is why we need to combat that. That is why we've come today in order to disturb the flow of their work. Another reason why it's important ukuthi ubethele, ukuvikela umsamo wakho. Unomsamo kodwa mawuphahla, you never dream, you don't get any communication from idlozi. Hambo hlola ukuze inyanga izokhona, noma isangoma noma umprofeti bazokhona ukutshela ukuthi no, mangithi ngiyabheka la ngibona abantu bakini bame ngaphandle inyanga abakhona ungena endlini, bame ngaphandle egate abakhona ukuya endlini, awukumele ngenise idlozi. Hayi cha, akukho njalo. Inkinga ukuthi igceke lingcolile, linemithi emnyama. Wena bowulele bakuthumela ngamakati afike azokaka, amakati akhandiwe. Yes, sometimes uzokhuluma into kube ngathi ukhuluma into engekho. Ujulile abantu mabathi bayathakatha. There are multitudes of ways, whether using animals, whether they themselves coming physically, sometimes ngokomoya emkhathini. Qinisa umuzi wakho, uvikele umsamo wasekhaya ukuze mawuphahla idlozi likuzo, ukuze mawuphahla idlozi likhole ukungena lifike nemlayezo. Uloku ucela inhlanhla, why izinto zingakhanyi la ekhaya? Why abantwana bahlale bakhala bagula? Why ngihlale ngilwa nomngane? Ngicela ukuthi idlozi ngilekeleleni. Idlozi malithi lisafika alikhona ngena ngoba umthakathi ufikile ebusuku, wagubha egate wagqiba into, or wafika egate wachela ngento. Idlozi malithi liyangena kule ndlu leyo oceda ukuyithenga bekuhlala umuntu bekathwele. Idlozi malithi liyangena kule ndlu le ohlala kuyo bekuhlala abantu bebapractice ama spiritual practices angcolile. Wena usufuna imoya yakini ehlambulukile ukuthi communicate nawe ukuthi nayi inkinga la emsamo wasekhaya ukuthi asikhoni ngcolile khehle. Sifuna ukuthi idlozi likhululeke. Sifuna ukuthi idlozi likhululeke malifika kuwe, likhona ukufika, likhona ukukhuluma, likhona ukuphuphisa. Uyeke ukuphupha amakaka, uyeke ukuphupha kungcolile, uyeke ukuphupha amanzi angcolile, uyeke ukuphupha. Sometimes idlozi through iphupho lizokudiagnosela ukuthi this is the first problem ekumele udile. Uhleli lapha ekhaya, uhlezi uphupha amanzi angcolile phansi. Uhleli lapha ekhaya uphupha kugcwele amakaka, kunezinto ezifile, kunezilwane ezifile endlini. Somehow your ancestors will help you diagnose if igceke alihlambulukanga. On another video we'll actually touch on dreams that is bigger ukuthi the condition of your environment is unclean. We'll do it in one of our dream segments. But that would be some of the purposes ukuthi some of the reasons why kumele wena uqinise igceke lakho. Now ukubethela has many facets. Akubethelwa ikhaya nje kuphela, akubethelwa ibhizinisi. Namathuna ayabethelwa. Ithuna liyaqiniswa. Ithuna liqiniswa ngezathu sokuthi kukhona abanye emindenini abaganga ngedlozi. Abanye abayibukile le video abaziyo kahle ukuthi baganga ngedlozi. Ukuthi kushona umuntu, makushona umuntu ahamba ayothweba umuntu. Ahamba emathuneni ayenza idlozi libheke yena nje kuphela. Yingakho it's essential ukuthi nethuna liqiniswe ukuthi even aside from families, abantu vele khona abantu siyazi abagangayo emathuneni. Random tunas. Wena uthi usaya ethuneni likagogo ufika lapha yakuba ngathi gogo umuntu ucabanga ukuthi it was one of your aunts, it was one of your uncles, it was one of your cousins. Kanti kuukuthi nje bekuwumuntu nje shembe kayizivusela isiboko ngoba bekafuna isiboko azosebenza ngaso. Athatha ugogo wakhe ayoba isiboko. Qinisa nethuna. Sithinte usho ukuthi mkhulu sekunjena nje ufuna ukuqinisa ithuna lasekhaya. Bakwethu ukuqinisa is important. Ukuziqinisa wena ngemithi is important. Zibethele wena kuqala umzimba wakho. And then worry about ibhizinisi lamathuna. Because wena ungaqiniswanga self, izinto zokukhanyisa inhlanhla onikwa zona angeke siyenze lokhu ekumele sikwenze. Because you yourself are unclean. Gezwa uqiniswa. Whether by prophet, whether ufaka intambo, whether uyacatshwa, whatever. But it's important to go to guess. It's important to go to qinisa. I think we've touched on it previously with my brother in one of our previous videos. I am reiterating it with qinisa. It's part of spiritual hygiene. Gini nina enamabhizinisi amayelana imoto. Nani nina futhi enineyimoto ekhaya. Imoto yaqiniswa ukuthi ivikelwe against ama-accident. Ukuthi ivikelwe against ukuthi ishawe ngemithi ukuthi iloki iphuka ingasebenzi, iloki ihlupha idlimali. Because already when you buy a car, it's a depreciating asset. Now it's bad if on top of ukuthi it's a depreciating asset, you now have to deal with the fact that your neighbor was not happy ukuthi ufuke nge-verpa engine. The neighbor was not happy that you pulled up and you came with a beautiful Audi TT. Athi no lo imoto yakhe ngifuna ukuyichela ebusuku. Athi shwa mulele abuyela Jumpy Bonda or abuyela Communicate. Bakwethu ushubile South Africa. I am the wholesaler of imithi, so I know ukuthi abantu bayakhala. Abantu balanda izinto to ruin people's lives. Qinisa imoto, usiqinise futhi nawe. Now you can go anywhere to have this done, but ensure ukuthi uya ebantwini abayaziyo into abayenzayo, whether uya to umfundisi, whether uya to umprofeti, umthandazi, inyanga, isangoma, whatever. Ensure ukuthi uya emuntwini oyaziyo into ayenzayo futhi lento azoyifaka egcekeni izovumwa yidlozi lakho. Because abantu sometimes babethela ngezinto esijulile. Ngezinto esijulile umuntu afike ngempela azovusa isilwane lapha esizogada. Idlozi lithi angazi manje ukuthi why kwenzeka so bafo. Lento le asiyazi lento le yenziwa. So wena prayerfully consider it before your altar. Uphakhe nje idlozi ukuthi sengifuna manje ukuhlambulula ikhaya, sengifuna manje uqinisa ikhaya, ngicela ukuthi ningikhanyisele and take me in the right direction. Who can help me? Uma uza la ekhaya sithi sizokubethelela ngendlela yesiprofeti, sizokucharge 2200 Danethongo mntana ngamvela incane, sizokucharge 2200 no installments. Uyikhipha injalo, siyafika siyasebenza. Uma lento le isiphela amandla uyabuya kithi sikuvuselele futhi siyenze ukuthi iqhubeke ikufikela. This is 2200. Uma sizobethela ngendlela yomuthi, it's 3800 phela kuphuma mina ngqo. Ngiyafika kwakho, ngiyangeza, ngiyangcaba, ngiyanqinisa, ngigeza ikhaya, mangicela ugeza ikhaya ngiyalibethela ngiqinise. I've had many experiences where people came back to me after ngibethela basho ukuthi mkhulu kunokuthula ekhaya. Me and my wife are no longer fighting. Mina nabantwana we no longer fighting. Me and my boyfriend are no longer fighting. wow, things are flowing. Because they took the power into their own hand. Bayeka lento leyo ukuthi ulokuguqa uthi umveli incane that's gonna see me through. Because it might not work out for you. It might not work out for you if uyibamba ngomthandazo. Baningi abantu abathi babamba into ngomthandazo. Ingayenzeki. Ingakho ngithi kuwe, protect your home, protect your family, protect your business. Makhosi uma sithi ke wena uthi ngicrusader uyangqilaza, ngicrusader uyangqilaza 3800 angengikhona, singakuthumela imithi wena uzenzele 1200 cash, sizokuthumela imithi, sikuthume sikutshele futhi ukuthi le uzocela ngayo, le nizogeza ngayo, le uzongigubhela la nala umgqibele yona for 1200. If you're willing to do the work yourself, uyangithinta ke thumela lento through Pepex, uyithole noma ikuphi nakuphi la khona, noma wena ungafika la uthi ngikhulu uzolanda imithi yokubethela nayo imali ngikunikeze uphume hamba uyovikela umndeni wakho uphephe, bayeke lokubanishange ichitho, uyeke ukuphupha amagazi, uyeke ukuphupha ukuthi uyakhameka ebusuku and so forth. Ukuthi siqinise thina ourselves like higher 600 kehla uma uthi mina ekhaya ku right ngikhulu, I just need security on my own body, ufikele ne600 kehla ufike la ngigeze, angicede ukugeza ngifake imithi ejulile ephuma le eAfrica uphile uphephe. Asifune ukujula kakhulu. This topic is a very heavy topic due to ukuthi there's a lot of families la ingane zihlele ekhaya akekho sebenzayo, akunamali ekhaya, kuyalatshwa. Umuntu makathi uya-apply umsebenzi ayenzeki, uhlezi kugulwe endlini, abantu bamile induna, abantu baphuma ama-pimples, abantu abalali ebusuku, kuyashisa endlini, kuyamemezwa ebusuku, abantu bayakhameka, wena la uhleli khona kugijima izinto phezulu. This topic is heavy. Stand up for your family, protect your family. Ningasithinta ama-number wethu nizowabona at the beginning of the video, somewhere down here at the bottom of the screen. Nisithinte should you want to consult, should you want to check the spiritual condition of la uhlala khona, sithinte khehla sikusize sikusebenze. Okunye nokunye, I want to give thanks to all our subscribers. I want to give thanks to all of you who keep on commenting, all of you who keep on admonishing our work. We do this all for you. We do this for Ukwanda of African spirituality and ultimately universal spirituality and consciousness. Crusader, igedla lamashishke inyanga yamakhosi. Please like, share and subscribe. Ngiyanthanda man. Bengengiyenze lento uma benganthanda. Ngiyanthanda ngothando kaMveli Mncane. Ngiyasithoba phambi kwethu. Ngiyakhuleka emakhosi, ngiyasehlisa phambi kwethongo lelo. Makhosi.